Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Grade 2, good morning. And how are you? Today, inshallah, we teach you um, lesson 1 and 2 in unit 3 uh, in page 96 and 97. Okay, we understand about all the animals. Okay, please excuse me, please. Before we are going to starting our lesson or your lesson, I will ask you some question about the animal. Yes, name the name of some animal that you know. Yes, like what? Like cow, good, goat, horse, sheep, donkey, and goose. Well done. Yes, and all of the grade 2 uh, understand the bird and the animals. The cow give us the milk, and we racing with the horse. Okay, we have racing horse, and also goat and sheep. They give us milk like cow. Okay, now listen to the CD players and look at the vocabulary of the new word or new words in page 96 in lesson 1. The skills here is listening first. Listen to the vocabulary of the new word and listen to the rosy families with grandfather or grandpa and grandma in the farm. They look about the animals. Some animals are short and some animals are tall. The other animals are big and some animals are bigger than and biggest than. Yes, we use big, short, tall, yes, fast, slow, the adjective describing the animal in this lesson. Now, listen to the CD player, please, and try to follow your class book in page 96.
At all the animals.
Listening 134. Listen and point. Cow. Goat. Horse. Sheep. Donkey. Goose. Horse. Goose. Cow. Sheep. Goat. Donkey. Listen and repeat. Cow. Goat. Horse. Sheep. Donkey. Goose. Listening 135. Listen and chant.
Cow, cow, cow. Goat, goat, goat. Horse, horse, horse. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Donkey, donkey, donkey. goose, goose, goose.
Listening 136. Listen and read.
Wow! Look at all the animals, Billy.
Look! This cow is bigger than that cow.
Yes, it's the mummy cow.
And this sheep is smaller than that sheep.
That's right. It's a baby sheep.
Look! A baby donkey and a mummy donkey.
That's right, Billy. Look at that goat. It's bigger than the other goats.
Is it a daddy goat?
No, it's a naughty baby goat.
Yes, grade 2. All of you listen about the animals and see some animals. Some of them are big and the other are small. Okay, I'm going to ask you some question about the story below. Yes. What did the family talk about and where are they? Yeah, they talk about what? About animals. Good. Yes. And where are they? They are in the farm. Yes. Can you count some animals that you know or you mention in the story? Yes. There is a cows, horses, donkeys, sheep, goats, and goose. Goose. Okay? Yes, look at here. What is the biggest animal in this story? The biggest animal is the cow. Who has got a cow? Yes? Who has got a cow? Yes, mommy. For mommy, Rose's mommy or Rose's mums has got cow. Yes. Who can you see them in the story? Yes? The answer here? Good. I can see Grandpa, Rosie, Billy, and his cousin Paul. Yes. Is there any sheep in this story? Yes, there is a sheep in this story. Please look at here. We find that in the picture number 2, cow. How many cows are there? In the picture number 2, there is 2 cow. What color of the cow is bigger than the other cow? Brown and white. Yes. The bigger the cow or mommy cow is bigger than the small cow. We use big and bigger. Big and bigger. All of they also grade 2 find out what is the bigger than. This goat is bigger than the that goat. Okay? Or daddy goat. Yes, here the goat is bigger than daddy goat. Are you understand? We use big and bigger to make comparison between two. We use here big. When we make comparison between two, we use that bigger. Add the adjective er because we compare between 2. And we have superlative biggest than the others more. It means that we use biggest for more and we use bigger than 2. I understand grade 2. Okay. Also in lesson 2, deal with the grammar. Uses big and bigger. Okay. Big and bigger. So that big, we make comparison between 2. For example, a horse and a goat. What is the bigger? Yes, we say that a horse is bigger than. We use big and bigger. Small, smaller than. See? Small, smaller than. For example, a cow and mouse. Mouse. What is the bigger? Yes? A cat is a bigger than what? Than a mouse. Yes, smaller. Also make comparison between ant and, for example, ant and bird. What is the bigger? A bird or ant? Says that the bird is bigger than ant. Okay? What is the small? Ant or bird? Says that ant is smaller than what? Than the bear. Yes. Also, we use tall and taller than to make comparison between 2. For example, we have the animals. We have the animals here. For example, camels and hen. Camels and hen, or camel, a camel and a hen. We make comparison between them, use the adjective short and tall. Yes. What is a taller than? A camel or a hen? Says that the camel is taller than a hen. Also, the opposite of a tall is a short. Use the adjective a short describing a hen, because a hen is very short than a camel. See that? I can say that a hen is a shorter than a camel. And also use the adjective bigger than for something big. Compare between 2. Smaller than and taller than. Now, our grammar dealing with the comparative between 2, use the adjective big, small, tall, short. Add er at the end of big, it become bigger. Short is become shorter. Small is become smaller. And see here, and tall is become taller. To make comparison between 2, all of the grade 2, don't forget your workbook in page 97. Solve all the activity in your workbook and listen to lesson 2, dealing for grammar. To comparison, use the adjective big, small, tall, and short. Listen to the CD or listen.
Listening 137.
Yes. Don't forget grade 2. Don't forget all of they. Try to solve all the adjective in your workbook. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.